Magnetostatics and Coulomb's law in magnetism. Now we have to go for the next term known as magnetic field or magnetic induction. So the definition is very similar to the electric field. In the electric field, we are using the force experienced by unit positive test charge. But here we have to use a hypothetical unit north pole. So we can define the magnetic field as magnetic field at a point is defined as the force experienced by a hypothetical unit north pole placed at that point. So the formula of Coulomb's law F is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m1 m2 upon r square. So in place of m1 write m, in place of m2 write 1 plus 1 for unit north pole. So the formula becomes B means magnetic field is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m upon r square. So this is the expression for magnetic field. Its unit is Tesla or Weber per meter square. Now the next term is magnetic potential. Magnetic potential can be defined in a similar manner as we have already defined electric potential. So electric potential is defined as the work done to bring a unit positive test charge from infinity to that point. And in the magnetic potential, we have to use that hypothetical unit north pole. So we can define magnetic potential. Magnetic potential at a point is defined as the amount of work done to bring a hypothetical unit north pole from infinity to that point. So we can write V is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m upon r. So the definition of magnetic field and magnetic potential are very similar to electric field and electric potential. Now the next term is magnetic dipole. So a magnetic dipole is a small bar magnet only, because every bar magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. So a magnetic dipole is nothing but a small magnet. So very small magnet, bar magnet, is called a magnetic dipole. So the pole strength of a magnet for north and south are same. So as the magnet is very small, so the two equal and opposite poles are situated very near together, hence they constitute a magnetic dipole. Like an electric dipole, in electric dipole two equal and opposite charges are placed very near together, but in magnetic dipole by nature only the plus m, that is north pole, minus m, that is south pole, are very close together because of the small size of the magnet. So a small magnet is a magnetic dipole. So a magnet can be considered as a magnetic dipole. So this is, and the length is twice L. Plus m is for north pole, minus m is for south pole. So plus minus m is pole strength and 2L is dipole length. So this is the magnetic dipole. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.